Thank you for coming to Somewhere Up a Creek today, and we are having a great day. We hope you are too. We happened to meet a very, very good friend today, and it's amazing. He too has a native Titan 10.5, and you know I've been giving a lot of reviews on the 10.5 here lately, so we'd like to introduce you, ladies and gentlemen, to Mr. Les Cruz, who is over here on my left, catching a fish right now. Say hey to the camera, Les. You're on Somewhere Up a Creek. Yes, and look at this nice kayak setup that Les has. Is this amazing? You come to the creek and you meet wonderful people and wonderful friends who have such a wonderful kindred and like spirit, just like we do, to fish and to enjoy the fishing world. There's Les there in his nice native. Isn't this amazing? Native. He has actually got the 10.5 just like I just purchased, and we were just commenting on how much we're enjoying these kayaks and the advantages they have. He had a Hobie too, right, Les?
Yes, I had a Hobie and a 10-footer.
Wow.
I still got mine.
And we have Mike over there on the backside in a Hobie. But this is Les, and Les has got a really nice setup there. He's got it set up really nice. And we are so glad to get to meet Les today. I know I sure am. I'm enjoying today, and we hope you are too. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Well, we're hoping for a big one today. We can only hope that we will strike some gold out here today. We will see. I'm gonna need a net for this one. I got her, I think. Oh, he's stripping my line. Oh man, this is a nice one. Oh boy, this is a nice one. God, mine. Lord, he's big. He's a nice one.
Just hang with it.
Wow. Hot dog. I got a nice one here, Mike. Yes, it is, Les. Hot dog. Yeah. Woo! Tell everybody about Somewhere Up a Creek, right? Quick like and subscribe. Yeah. Right? Quick like and subscribe. Yeah.